The RØDE Vlogger kit is a high-quality, all-in-one solution for recording professional-level video and audio with your smartphone. The universal kit can plug directly into any device with a 3.5mm jack, or with an adapter into your phone's Lightning or USB Type-C charging connector. The kit contains the following items: a RØDE Video Micro compact microphone with furry windshield, a short ball head tripod, a micro LED on-camera light which includes a selection of coloured filters, a dual cold shoe mount for attaching the light and microphone at the same time, a RØDE Smart Grip, a sturdy metal clamp that holds your phone securely between the rubber pads to prevent scratches. Finally, we have the two cables in the kit, a short Type-C charging lead for the micro LED light, and a short red cable that connects the mic to your phone. Please note the ends of the cable are different. Remember to connect the black end to the microphone and the grey end to your phone. Assembly is simple. Just slide each component into the cold shoe and rotate the lock ring until it is fixed into position. The kit is modular, so you can choose the placement of the mic and light to best suit your needs. Here are just a few examples. We encourage you to experiment with the kit and try different setups to see what works best in different situations. Every phone is different. While Culture Lab has some adapters on hand, please test your make and model of phone to determine which adapters or other accessories are needed.